Yeah, Dr. Spencer Berry from Fargo, North Dakota at the InjectAbility Institute, taking ArqueDerma and MicroTox for a weekend with hands-on. The science and the incorporation of the science with the art of injection is incredible. This is a very unique approach and one that really adds to somebody who's been injecting. It doesn't matter if you've been injecting for a month or if you've been injecting for 10 years. This approach is revolutionary. And the things that it will allow you to do, the things that it's going to help you to be able to solve the problems in terms of looking at how can I attack, say, lifting a jowl, how can I work with smoothing a nose, things that you hadn't thought about before, which now seem very much in your element. A lot of the things that we learn are different approaches with the same techniques. These are entirely new techniques, okay? So this is something that any practitioner who takes the time to learn and study what is being taught in this weekend, you're going to have a whole new way of thinking about things, okay, and about doing things. So again, if you can assess things, which is taught very clearly, you can assess things appropriately, communicate that with your patient properly, and then technically perform it for them, as you've said, okay, if you can do those things, patients develop a trust in you, you with them, and now you'll be able to collaboratively work together on all kinds of issues, which again just kind of opens the door. And I think that's kind of the big thing. You learn all those, the assessment, the communication, the technique. You get the hands-on experience so that when you walk out of here, you have an idea of, I know where we're going to start. I know where we're going to get going. So it's exciting. The folks are passionate. You can tell that in the presentations. And that's really fun to see in healthcare when you've got people who really care about taking good care of patients. Never experienced this type of feeling, okay? I mean, the whole atmosphere, this was something that the way the training was conducted, it's very personal. It's laid back, but very informational, okay? It's one of those things that there's a lot of information that gets laid out over the course in many different ways. And so you get to interact with not only the people that are in the course with you, but also folks instructing. And it's just really good facility, and but yet it's intimate and yet very appropriate. So again, overall, I really haven't had the opportunity to attend something of this nature over the past 7 or 8 years. This would be by far one of the more unique experiences and just really a phenomenal one.